ladies, I'm here to do the draw, and I've got everyone's names. So what I'm going to do is just to draw out a few names, just so you can see a few of the names. Sorry, let's go. All right. So serendipity. We got crafty stuff. All up there were 14 comments. J.A. Desiree. Amanda Scott Burton. Desiree. And see how everyone's got the same long sheet of paper, so I'm not cutting it off at the end of the name. That way you've all got an even amount of paper. Desiree. Beth Scott. Might as well go through all of them. That way everyone knows that they're in there. Karina D. Hahn. Because there's only 14, but if there was like 50, then might be a problem. Julie DaCosta. Wendy Mason. Also with the books, there's each person that wins can say what 2 books they would like to get. I can't promise that you will get those 2, but you will definitely get one of them. Alexis and Melinda's Art Space. So I've got prayer or religious books, I've got children's books, I've got botanical books and sewing books. Also there's a few on fashion that I may have, I think. Yeah. Carrie and MC8. My Cottage Crafts. And there's one more name. Karen Jordan. So these are all in there. Okay. So now, so the first person I said that I'll pick out will be getting my favorite all-time book for channeling. Do I have a copy here? Oh, I do. Which is this one, but unfortunately you won't be getting the one with the dust jacket. You'll be getting it without the dust jacket, but that doesn't matter. And this is the Reader's Digest 1966. Yeah, like, how awesome is that? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Yeah, so the first person drawn will be getting this, and you can also tell me what other book you like as well, whether it's a children's book or a sewing book. What else did we say? Religious book. Or another botanical book. I've got plenty of botanical books. Maybe not like that one. Okay, so the first one up is Julie DaCosta. Congratulations. That's fantastic. Okay, she's in the same swap group as me. She's a lovely lady, Julie DaCosta. So you're our first winner. Second winner. Desi, congratulations. Desi's our second winner. And our last but not least, winner. Alexis and Melinda's Art Space, yay! So use 3, have 1, and in the comment section, if you're not shy, leave me your address. I've got yours. You might need to send me yours again, sweetie. And Desi, yes, I need yours. Yeah, congratulations. Look, contact me through Messenger, ladies. Give me the details of what you want and your addresses. Yeah. All right. Thanks very much for watching, and I'm so sorry to the other ladies. I wish I could give out more, but yeah. All right. Thanks. Bye.